This is Mark Chen, Operations Director at a global cargo carrier. His role is to keep aircraft moving, clients satisfied, and logistics under control. But the reality? He's managing fragmented systems, tight timelines, and critical processes that often fall outside his control. Permits are delayed, fuel isn't ready, ground support coordination breaks down. These create measurable costs. Mark is frustrated, doing everything right, yet still dealing with disruptions. It feels wrong to operate in a system where efficiency relies on luck, not structure. That's where ArrowAvia comes in. We don't replace Mark's systems, we enhance them. As a strategic partner to aviation operators worldwide, ArrowAvia ensures critical aviation services are handled with consistency, clarity, and speed. Mark doesn't need another vendor. He needs one point of contact that ensures every support service is aligned and ready. From the first schedule to final departure, ArrowAvia connects the pieces that often fall through the cracks, preventing small issues from becoming major failures. With ArrowAvia, Mark's team regains focus. He spends less time troubleshooting and more time scaling performance. And when issues do arise, he has a partner ready to respond. Without an integrated support system, minor disruptions will continue to cause major impact. Delays, escalations, financial penalties. It's not just about cost, it's about confidence. With ArrowAvia, operational confidence is restored. Cargo moves with less friction. Teams collaborate more effectively. Clients trust results, not promises. If you're ready to simplify cargo operations and build lasting reliability, let's talk. ArrowAvia, your trusted partner in expert aviation support.